What's up, everybody? It's your boy Conjuring Collector, and today I'm unboxing my Snowman 1 song. Yeah, 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 yeah. When I supposed to get this is actually earlier. Yeah, the fact should have delivered this earlier than this, but whatever. That's why I had to way out in the front to get it. Way out in the front to get it. So hope you guys enjoy this live. Fuck it. Yeah, Spirit fanboy. He was good. But anyways, and yes, and yes, I'm using an X-Acto knife, by the way. Using an X-Acto knife, by the way. Using an X-Acto knife, by the way. You don't have to wait for me to open it. You don't have to wait for me to open it. You don't have to wait for me to open it. You don't have to wait for me to open it. Don't have to put off my camera to open it. And come on. There he is. There he is, folks. It's like Snowman, one song. And Josh Gemmy guy isn't like ruining my life, but what the fuck ever. Hopefully, yeah. In the video, oh my god, he smells really nice, but he has some spots. Although his the hell happened to his bottom? Well, that's how I got my one song. Fortunately, that's how I got my two. Well, let me just kind of. Well, fuck it. Let me just. Well, yeah. They described everything, and no batteries, Damn. Compared to my two song, and look how he feels a lot. He feels softer than my two song. He feels a lot softer than my two song, which is cool. And well, because since he has different material on his body, ugh. Since he has different material on his body, I can't. And he's a lot shorter than my two song. He's a lot shorter than my two song. Look. Look. Yeah, my one song is a lot shorter than my two song. Look. See this? My two song over there compared to my one song right here. I can't believe he's a lot shorter than my two song. But yeah, he doesn't work. His arm is split. His spinning arm is split and his hips are split. Everything is split on him. Everything. Everything is split on him. Everything. But my two song when I first got him, all his blocking was was a not completely split spinning arm, and the helm is split, but it's actually a split of gear, a missing T-square shaft, and the third gear that's touching the square shaft in the head arm. That's the only three problems. Like, 4 problems with it. 2 main problems with it. But anyways, go ahead and unplug my Tucson and test him for you guys. And test him for you guys. See, oh my god, his Snowflake is a lot brighter than the Cell's video. Which is what? Which is, I don't know. Oh, well, yeah, 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 his helm is always split. And yes, his helm won't move when I hold it. Oh, yeah. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and give me a favor, click the like button, smash the like button, abuse the like button, but we're not talking about.